Um, what directed you towards the sawmill business?
Oh, I always was interested in sawmill. Oh, ever since I was a kid in school. You know, they used to see the one-man sawmill advertised in pretty every magazine you pick up. The little bell saw. And I used to send the bell saw and get all their literature on sawmills and edgers and planers and of course I didn't know most of those books all by heart.
Did you have a working mill someplace in your childhood that you visited, or?
No, but I always was interested in woodworking of any kind. I don't remember visiting any sawmills, much as. But I learned a lot about sawmills before I ever had any practical experience with them at all. And a lot of little tips I picked up that came in handy after I got to actually working at the sawmill.
So you could almost say that was like a lifelong calling then, really.
The first mill we had was a little bell saw.
Now, was that the one up, was that Stone Mountain or was it Hadley Hill?
That was on Hadley Hill.
Okay. Was that the one that was driven by a Buick engine?
Yeah.
Dad told a story about the Buick engine, and I can't remember what.
28 Buick, straight 8.
Yeah, yeah.
You know, we didn't have any radiator on that. We used a 50-gallon drum for radiator, and we just run that a few minutes, and that the water in that drum would boil, and the old exhaust on that engine would be just as red as the cherry. We run awful hot, and after a while I got to wondering how the spark was on that anyway, and I opened up the points and looked, it was just barely breaking. They were almost touching, and I just opened the gap up a little. It run just nice.
Yeah, helps if you maintain them.
Yeah.
Yep.